Assalamualaikum, you're watching my YouTube channel and my name is Sajid. In my today's video, we will learn about how to remove items in a list. Okay, so as I said, we are going to learn how to remove list items. So first thing we're gonna look at is remove specified items. For example, we will use remove method to remove one specified item. So let's suppose this is our this list. Okay, so where are you? Okay, so we are adding this list and that's it, it's there. Okay, you come here and if I print this list, okay, we have 3 items. Now I am removing banana, okay, and if I print this list again, now we have 2 items. Banana is removed. Okay, next thing which we are going to learn is remove specified item. The pop method removes the specified item from certain index. Okay, I mean we will tell the index location from where we want to remove item. For example, here we want to remove index 1, which is banana. So let's make the list again and see if all 3 elements are there. Yes, then we see this list dot pop 1. Okay, yeah, so if we print this list again, now there are 2 items. It means the banana has been popped from the list, it's been removed. Okay, and next thing is if you do not specify the index, the pop method removes the last item. Okay, right, and the delete keyword also removes specified index. We can use delete or del keyword as well to remove specified item. So let's try del method. Let's define our list again. Let's see if yuppie is there. So we have our list with 3 items: apple, banana and cherry. And what I'm gonna do is I will remove del this list, okay, and index 0, which is apple. And if I print my list again, you see apple has been removed. Now there are 2 items, banana and cherry. Right, so del keyword has removed an item with the specific index. Next we need to see the del keyword can also delete the list completely. Oh my god. So let's suppose this is our list with 3 items and we check it again. No doubt it has 3 items and we say del this list and press enter, and now if we print error, this list is not defined. Okay, it means the list has been deleted. Right guys, so let's move forward. This is our last thing for today's video, and that is clear the list. The clear method empties the list. Okay, the list still remains but it has no content. In previous method of delete we have seen that delete completely deletes the list, and now we have redefined our list. Okay, and if we see the items inside, 3 items are there, and if I say this list dot clear and I am going to print the list again, and it's empty list, there is no content. Right, guys, so it means you're clear how to deal with list items and remove them or clear them. Right, I hope this video will is informative and you have learned many concepts like clear the list and remove specified index items and remove specified items. So guys, please share the video with others if you think it's been informative. I'll be back with another video very soon. By that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.